Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadgets once again. Wow, this is my first time on camera officially at in 2023. I really want to thank you for all the support we got last year. It was an amazing journey and we never expected we could reach the milestone we achieved. That aside, today I'm going to be unboxing a power bank from a reliable, strong. This brand has dazzled the Nigerian community with its warranty of 13 months, 13 good months, which no other brand has been able to achieve. Just getting a single cable will give you access to a 13 months warranty. I'm not going to disclose it yet, but for you that knows, for you that has been following these channels, you know what I'm trying to talk about. And today, this power bank, the reason why I'm doing this unboxing is because they have been working on this power bank for over a year and a half now. In order to get a power bank that could be able to charge all your device wirelessly and delivering optimum current to your gadgets without damaging your battery. They are considering the end user in all their production. They are considering compatibility whereby you could be able to carry this power bank around easily without worrying about weight. Before we get into this power bank, before we see the hidden features of this power bank, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so as not to miss a single video that might be a life-changing opportunity for you on this channel. And don't forget, good information is not meant for you alone. Share this with your friends and family around the world. Then Picharge cable. Whoa. Other than Picharge cable, I'm trying to have a clearer view. Okay. I think this is nice. I'm better. Okay, I think the color I have here is black. It comes in two variants, which is black and white. I'm not sure if they are going to later produce another color, so let's see. I think the nylon has been raped. This was how it's delivered, but as we usually do it, we are going to rip it naked, just naked. Let's rip it naked. Let's do this. Wow. Okay, one of the things I noticed is the package is so glossy. I don't know, they actually spent a lot on this because the package is so glossy. This is going to cost them a lot. Picharge, thumbs up. You people really did well. Can you see that? 22.5 watts, Qualcomm 3.0. Wow, that's amazing. Intelligent digital display, magnetic attraction. That's for the phones that support wireless charging. Okay, it's giving you the breakdown of the power supply here. You can see that easily. You can see that's wonderful, simple and easy. And this is what is the capacity? What is the capacity? Can you let's try and check? That's 20,000 mAh. That's wonderful. Let's get into the box. What's inside the box? Whoa. Okay, just hold on. Whoa. Eventually I got it white. Wow, this is wonderful. I thought I had the black because there was a black image on the box, but wonderful, I got it white. Oh, that's lucky me. Today is a good day. Yes. Okay, so we have the power bank, which you can see here, wrapped in a nylon. Okay, in the box you also have a cable I believe this cable is specifically inside a Type C USB cable. I believe this cable is specifically to charge the power bank, and you can use it to charge your other devices. Let me see if it comes with a pre-installed manual. Okay, there is no pre-installed manual. I believe this is one of the downside of the Picharge power bank. I think there should be a manual. There should be a manual on how to use it. There are some other power banks that will tell you you need to discharge this power bank before you start using. So let's get into the power bank proper. Sorry about that. Okay. Wow. This is fully charged. Output 22.5 hertz. You can see that clearly. You can see it's so soft, easy to move around, and you can see it supports Type C input and output. Okay, let me see, what other things does it support? Okay, it also supports lightning in input. Okay, that's really good. So let's see how this works. I'm trying to see if it has a button. Okay, it has none. Okay, let me get my phone that supports wireless charging so I can see how the wireless charging work. Okay, so my phone is here now. Let me see what is going to happen. Oh, no response. Okay, then I'm going to try and remove the case and try it again. I should remind you that on this screen there is more or less like a power button here in case the light goes dim. I'm not sure how this function, but if you if any of the Picharge administrator has the opportunity to watch this, please kindly install a manual to guide people. Okay, so it's the display is off. The moment I touch it, I didn't even touch it, just over my finger on it, and it's already displaying. So wow, that's really good. I think I like that. Okay, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm putting my phone that supports wireless charging on this, and let's see what happens. Okay, no response. Wow, that's amazing. You can see it's charging my phone. Now this is a Samsung phone. You can try this with your iPhone, and I'm going to do that when I get to my office tomorrow. Let's do that again. 89%. That's so smooth. I think I like that. I'm going to try this with my watch. If it's going to charge my watch, it's already charging my phone. Oh, and you can see it's telling me it's going to full in 36 minutes. Wow, that's so fast. So let me test it if it's going to charge my watch. I know it's not really meant for watch, but sometimes it does. There is no limits except the limit you set yourself. Okay. Okay, no response, so it's not charging my Apple Watch. If you have this power bank, you might want to try it with your Apple Watch. This is Samsung Watch, so it's not charging it. I believe the wireless charging system is different. Okay, there will be that for charging your phones. I'll be doing shots where the power bank is charging an iPhone effectively. So let's see if the cable works fine. Let me check the cable. like I said earlier, the cable that came installed with the power bank is a type C cable. So I'm going to install it and see. Okay, you can see it's even super fast. It's telling me 23 minutes now. That's amazing. As small as the cable is, respect for doing this, Picharge. Respect for doing this. I really love this. I must be honest with you guys. This is really amazing, and I would advise everyone out there. You can really get this power bank at any accredited Picharge retail over there across Nigeria. The presence of Picharge is currently in over 18 states in Nigeria. You can get it, and you can always chat me up. You can click on our Twitter handler and Instagram handler and tell me if you need one. It's not really expensive. We are selling it at a control price. The company has asked us to sell. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me go and enjoy my Picharge power bank while you buy yours. You can see what happened. While the display trip off, it still continues charging. Stay safe. Bye bye.